This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts and airbag faults, and wait at least 2 minutes. Once done, open the glove box, push the side stops in, and lower it to expose the lower dash fasteners. Remove the kick panel on the passenger side by unclipping its plastic tabs. Use a trim tool to avoid breaking clips. As you remove each screw or clip, place it in labeled bags so reassembly is straightforward. These first steps open access to the center dash frame. With panels loose, pry the center trim starting at the bottom to release the hidden clips. Do not force or snap plastic. Next, remove the screws securing the radio and HVAC control unit. Support the fascia so it does not drop when bolts are removed. Pull the assembly forward just enough to access electrical connectors. Depress each tab and unplug harnesses, the antenna, and any sensor leads. Keep track of connector positions, because some are keyed similarly. This middle stage, fully frees the dashboard fascia from its mounts. Finish by removing any remaining screws hidden under trim and lift the dashboard section straight up to detach it from its lower clips. Work both sides evenly to avoid warping. Once removed, inspect airbag connectors and wiring for damage. Verify all connectors are reseated before reassembly. If warning lights appear after reconnecting the battery, make sure connectors are tight, then clear codes with an OBD2 tool if needed. A common fix: replace broken clips with OEM style.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.